We are currently the market leaders in it. We are the largest local market research company playing in this field. They wanted to understand what the consumer thinks. They wanted to get the consumer's feelings. They wanted to understand what the consumer's reaction towards them. 96 දෙනෙක් කිව්වා ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ අවශ්‍යතාවය සපුරනවා කියලා body maintenance space promise එකට ඒ කියන්නේ තමන්ගේ බර අඩු කිරීමට සහ බර maintain කරන්න පුළුවන්කම තියෙනවා කියලා. 99ක් කිව්වා ෆැඩ්නා එකේ taste එක ඒගොල්ලන් කැමතියි කියන එක.
ආරාධනා කර සිටිනවා පෙපර් කියුබ් කන්සල්ටින් ආයතනයේ ගරු කළමනාකරණ අධ්‍යක්ෂක අතීක් මරිකාර් මහතාටත් ඒ වගේම ජ්‍යෙෂ්ඨ කළමනාකාර පණ්ඩුක රණසිංහ මහතාටත්
ෆැඩ්නා ආයතනයට කරපු රිසර්ච් එක පටන් ගන්න ඉස්සර I just thought to build credibility and to tell you all who we are. I'm just going to use only one slide. So we, just like FEDNA, a 100% Sri Lankan owned local company, like the announcer said, we are very proud of that as well. We are currently the market leaders in it. We are the largest local market research company playing in this field. And we are the only market research agency that's affiliated with the ESOMA certification, which is the apex body for market research. So these are some of the clients that we work with. Okay, so before I start on talking about the research that we did, as all of you all know, 2019 was a very difficult year. There were a lot of things that happened. The year started with certain turbulences. Then we had the unfortunate April 21st incident. And then subsequent to that, we also had the elections. So with a lot of distraction, what we saw in the market, as far as the market researcher is concerned, is a lot of companies were not doing research. That a local company, දේශීය ආයතනයක් ගොඩක් multinational companies තමන්ගේ research budget එක අඩු කරන අවස්ථාවේදී we saw a local company trying to do more research, trying to do research. So one of the questions that we were trying to understand is why are they trying to do research? I mean, what is the need? It seems virtually ඒගොල්ලන්ට නිකන් මොනොපොලි එකක් තියෙනා වගේ market එකේ වෙන කවුරුත් නැහැ. ඇයි මේ සල්ලි වේදම් කරලා research කරන්න හදන්නේ කියන ප්‍රශ්නේ අපිටත් ඇති ආවා. Obviously the noble thinking behind this whole thing was they wanted to understand what the consumer thinks. They wanted to get the consumer's feelings. They wanted to understand what the consumer's reaction towards them, and most importantly, to see whether they can further improve. So let's look at the target groups that we went to for the two respective studies. So first study, as I said, for identity, positioning, and leverage project. So here we did a random survey in Colombo district, 25 to 55 years, general public, SEC A to C, that's where we went to, the core target group for FEDNA. The second study was the assessment, evaluation, and approval project, where we did a booster survey in Greater Colombo, again, same target group, 25 to 55, SEC A to C. Here we went to FEDNA Shape-Up Tea users, because we were trying to understand their approval of the product. So we went to current and continuous users, minimum 3 months they had to use the product, and at least 1 sachet a day. So that was a minimum requirement as far as the second study was concerned. And in both cases, we did face-to-face interviews using a structured questionnaire. So that was the survey methodology. I'm not going to go into more details, just keeping it at a very high level. So in the first one, in the first study that we did, which was the brand identity, positioning, and leverage project, I'm going to just share the awareness numbers within this category. So here, remember what we are looking as the body maintenance space. In that space, what were the awareness numbers looking like? So right here, you've got FEDNA. So it's in multiple spaces. So FEDNA awareness, so we are looking awareness at 3 levels, as most marketeers do. We are looking at top of mind awareness. So the green bar here is top of mind awareness. So top of mind awareness is the first mentioned brand they come out with within that category. Then you have the spontaneous awareness, and finally the total awareness. So FEDNA appeared in 3-4 spaces, as FEDNA separately, as FEDNA Shape-Up separately, as FEDNA Tummy Tea separately, and Tummy Tea right at the bottom there as well. So FEDNA appeared in multiple places as far as awareness is concerned. In my next slide, I'll just summarize it for you. So when I look at the overall level, FEDNA had 56% top of mind awareness. So the first brand that customers, potential customers, talk about in this space is FEDNA. 56% said FEDNA. You had Lipton green tea at 18%, Zesta green tea at 6%, Siddhi at 5%, and at overall level, FEDNA awareness was 92% compared to Lipton green tea 79% and Zesta green tea 66%. This is within this category, within this space, within the herbal and green tea category, within the space of body maintenance. So as you can see, very strong awareness for FADNA in this space. Then in the second one, and this is where it gets very interesting, in the second one, customer user assessment, evaluation, and approval in the second project that we did. So here we tested 9 claims, a total of 9 claims, and amazingly, and trust me, and I say this with all honesty as a researcher, we did not expect such high numbers. And that was one of the reasons we tested 9 claims. My expectation was there would be a few at least that will be below 50%. This is FADNA customers, people who have used the product for more than 3 months, consumed at least 1 pack a day. Overall, on all statements, you had more than 88%. The lowest was 88% for which said FADNA Shape Up Tea maintains the body shape, which is right at the end there. Then you had FADNA Shape Up can be consumed as an alternative to normal tea was 90%. Then you had FADNA, more accurate results can be obtained by consuming FADNA Shape Up Tea was 93%. And then finally here, FADNA Shape Up gives more accurate results than green tea at 96%. But the 2 killer one was their satisfaction levels as far as FADNA is concerned. So satisfied with the taste of FADNA tea, Shape Up Tea was 99% of the FADNA customers said they're satisfied with the taste. And you had 96% who said that overall satisfaction with FADNA Shape Up Tea. And that's the one that they're launching today as 96%. So 96% of the FADNA customers who had consumed the product, used the product for more than 3 months, using at least 1 sachet a day, said 96% of them said that they were satisfied with the product, that it gave the results that they wanted. Amazing results, like I said, more than what I thought they would get. So my last slide, based on those 2 insights, I'm going to just sum up for FADNA Shape Up. So first one, as you saw, enjoys strong brand awareness amongst general public as a product within the body maintenance space. ඔගලන් දැක්කා වගේ numbers වල awareness numbers දැක්කා වගේ very strong awareness තියෙනවා FADNA වලට. FADNA ගැන මිනිස්සු දන්නවා 150 ගාණක් FADNA කියන brand name එක තමයි පළවෙනියට mention කරන්නේ body maintenance space එක ගැන කතා කරනකොට 92ක් FADNA ගැන අහලා තියෙනවා. FADNA ගැන awareness එක තියෙනවා. Earn excellent product reviews among customers as a brand that delivers on the body maintenance promise. Right? ඔගලන් දැක්කා වගේ 100ට අඩුම තිබ්බ 88යි 96 දෙනෙක් කිව්වා FADNA එකෙන් ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ අවශ්‍යතාවය සපුරනවා කියලා body maintenance space promise එකට ඒ කියන්නේ තමන්ගේ බර අඩු කිරීමට සහ බර maintain කරන්න පුළුවන්කම තියෙනවා කියලා 99ක් කිව්වා ඒ FADNA එකේ taste එක ඒගොල්ලන් කැමතියි කියන එක. So based on those 2, the way I look at it is the challenge and the opportunity is to drive awareness amongst the general public with regards to the importance of monitoring body fat as a key to healthy living. I think the announcers were talking about healthy living and happy living, right? I mean, I know they saw my presentation and they did it, but nevertheless, right? That's exactly what it's all about. Right? As far as healthy living and happy living, unfortunately, as of now, only 30% of those who need to be aware of this product, this category, are aware of it. So 70% of those who need to be aware of it are not aware of it. So I think as the media, as people who are going out as to advocate this product and advocate this category, one of the things that we need to drive is for people to become aware that they need to look at their body, they need to maintain their body, they need to be aware of the size of their body. So that is only 30%. I think if that is converted into a significantly higher number, then the FADNA team's objectives of driving the product and awareness will be met. Thank you.